Okay, so keeping up with all the latest in tech,
Mm-hmm.
it can feel like, I don't know, like trying to drink from a fire hose,
Yeah,
especially for businesses, right?
absolutely.
So today we're going to dive into
Okay.
how some of the biggest companies are tackling this whole digital transformation thing.
Right.
And get this.
Yeah.
Our source material
Okay.
is straight from SAP,
Wow.
the software giant behind it all.
The big one.
So it's like we're getting a VIP backstage pass
Oh, cool.
to see how they're guiding their clients through these massive tech overhauls.
That's pretty amazing, to be honest.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm pretty excited about it.
So it's interesting, right? Because SAP isn't just saying, here's some new software, good luck.
Right.
They've developed
Yeah.
something called RISE with SAP.
Okay.
And it's a whole methodology.
So like a framework.
A framework. Yeah, think of it like a detailed roadmap for navigating this whole
Oh, I see.
complex landscape of digital transformation.
So RISE with SAP is like more like a GPS system
Kind of,
for digital transformation.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm signing up. But
Hey.
before we hit the road,
Yeah.
let's talk about the starting point.
Bye-bye.
What's the problem RISE is trying to solve?
Sure.
I feel like it's something a lot of us can relate to, at
I
least
think you're right.
from our own personal lives, if not from a business perspective.
So imagine, right, your business has been around for a while,
Mm-hmm.
and over the years,
Yeah.
you've added a bunch of different software systems.
Okay.
Each one probably seems like a good idea at the time, right?
Yeah.
But now
Yeah.
you've got this tangled mess
Uh-huh.
of applications
Oh, yeah.
that don't always talk to each other.
The integration nightmare.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's clunky,
Right.
it's inefficient,
Mm-hmm.
and it's probably costing you a fortune.
Yeah. It's like that drawer full
Yeah.
of tangled cords and chargers. That everyone has.
Everyone has it.
You know there's some gems in there,
Yeah.
but who has the time to sort through it all?
Right.
It's like not worth it.
And in the business world,
Yeah.
that's what's known as technical debt.
Technical debt.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the hidden cost
Mm-hmm.
of dealing with outdated, complex systems.
Right.
It slows you down,
Yep.
makes it hard to adapt,
Yeah.
and frankly,
Yeah.
it can stifle innovation.
Oh, for sure.
So SAP recognized this problem
Okay.
and came up with a solution,
All right. What's the solution?
the clean core philosophy.
Okay. Clean core. That sounds
Yeah.
intriguing,
Mhm.
but like, what does it actually mean in practice?
Okay, yeah.
Is it like a massive digital decluttering project?
That's a great way to think about it.
Okay.
It's about simplifying,
Mm-hmm.
streamlining your technology landscape.
Okay.
So you're only dealing with what's essential.
Right.
Think of it like Marie Kondoing.
Oh, I like that.
Your business software,
Yeah.
keeping only the systems
Yeah.
that truly spark joy
Right.
and getting rid of the rest.
I'm already feeling lighter just thinking about it.
Yeah.
But getting from digital chaos to clean core, that can't be easy.
No,
That's where RISE comes in, right?
exactly.
Okay.
RISE with SAP provides that step-by-step roadmap
Okay.
to get you there.
Right.
It's built around SAP's
Yeah.
cloud-based
Okay.
ERP system.
ERP now.
Yeah, which helps companies manage
Mm.
everything from finances to supply chains.
Okay.
Think of it like the central nervous system
Wow.
of a modern
Right.
business.
Okay, so RISE is guiding businesses
Yeah.
through the process of moving to this cloud-based ERP system,
Right.
all while embracing the clean core philosophy.
Exactly.
But-
That's the key.
But let's break it down even further.
Okay.
How does RISE actually work? Does
Yeah.
it have like different phases or levels?
It does. RISE with SAP
Mm-hmm.
is structured
Yeah.
into distinct phases.
Yeah, okay.
Discover,
Mhm.
prepare,
Okay.
explore,
Got it.
realize,
Mm-hmm.
deploy,
Okay.
and run.
6
phases.
phases.
If you can actually see this roadmap visually,
Oh, cool.
we'll include a link in the show notes.
Oh, awesome. Awesome.
So
Yeah,
each phase focuses
Yes.
on specific tasks
Mhm.
and milestones,
Right.
guiding you through the entire transformation journey.
I'm picturing a map
Mm-hmm.
with checkpoints
Yeah.
along the way.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
okay, we've cleared discover,
Mm-hmm.
now on to prepare.
Right.
But this isn't just about
Right.
following a set of instructions, right?
Yeah, more than that.
There's got to be some hand-holding involved.
That's
Especially
what
when
you-
things get complex, because
Yeah.
they will, inevitably.
Absolutely right.
Right.
And that's where the concept of quality gates comes in.
Quality gates.
At each stage of rise, SAP has built-in checkpoints
Okay.
to make sure you're on track.
Right.
And adhering to those clean core principles,
Yeah.
it's like having a built-in quality control system,
Oh, I see.
ensuring you're not just implementing new technology,
Right.
but doing it in a way
Yeah.
that's sustainable
Right.
and beneficial in the long run.
So it's like having a digital transformation coach cheering you on
Yeah.
every step of the way.
Yeah.
But even with the best roadmap
Right.
and the most supportive coach,
Yeah.
you still need the right tools for the job, right?
Of course.
I mean,
Yeah.
you wouldn't climb Mount Everest with just a compass
No.
and a good attitude.
You need more than that.
You need a little more.
Exactly.
Oh, right.
And this is where SAP's suite of supporting tools comes in.
All right, tell me more about these tools.
They've developed some incredible resources
Yeah.
to help businesses implement RISE with SAP
Okay.
effectively.
All right.
Think of it like a high-tech toolkit
Ooh, I like
for
that.
digital transformation.
Give me the tools.
All right.
Let's talk tools. Okay, I'm really curious about these tools.
Yeah.
Can you give us a sneak peek into what they're all about?
Okay.
I know you mentioned SAP Signavio before.
Yeah.
Is that the one that helps you map out
Yes.
your business processes?
SAP Signavio.
Okay.
It's like a powerful visual mapping tool.
Okay.
It helps you create a clear picture of how different parts of your business operate
Right.
and how they connect.
So it's not just about
It's not just about
creating pretty diagrams.
pretty diagrams, no.
Right.
By visualizing your processes,
Okay.
you can uncover bottlenecks,
Right.
inefficiencies, and areas where things could be streamlined.
So Signavio helps you find those hidden inefficiencies
Exactly.
that are draining time and money.
Yes.
Kind of like when you map out your budget
Yeah.
and suddenly realize you're spending
Yeah.
way too much on takeout costs.
Exactly. And once you've identified those areas for improvement,
Right.
you can use Signavio
Okay.
to design and implement
Okay.
more efficient processes,
So it leads to.
which ultimately leads to cost savings,
Right.
faster decision-making, and a more agile business overall.
That's amazing.
It is. It is.
Okay. What about the other tools? What was that one called?
Linux.
Ah, yes.
Okay, yeah.
SAP Linux.
Yeah.
This one's really cool.
All right, tell me about it.
It's like having X-ray vision
Okay.
into your entire IT landscape.
Oh, wow.
It helps you create a comprehensive inventory
Okay.
of all the applications systems.
And technologies your business uses.
So it's like
And it goes beyond
okay.
just listing them out.
Right.
It shows you how they're interconnected
Okay.
and how they support your core business processes.
So it's not just about knowing what you have,
Right.
but understanding how it all works together. Kind of like how a mechanic needs to understand not just the individual parts of a car, but how they interact to make the engine run smoothly.
That's a perfect analogy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And having that holistic view of your IT landscape is crucial for making informed decisions about which systems to keep, which ones to retire, and how to optimize your technology investments.
Right.
It can help you avoid redundancy,
Okay.
reduce complexity,
Yeah.
and ultimately save a lot of money.
Wow. Right. These tools are like
Yeah.
digital detectives.
That's a great way to think about it.
Uncovering hidden inefficiencies and helping businesses make smarter decisions.
Yeah.
What's not to love?
I know, right?
Is there another tool
There is.
in this arsenal we should know about?
Don't forget about
Okay.
SAP Cloud ALM.
SAP Cloud ALM.
This one's like your mission control center
Okay.
for the entire digital transformation journey.
So it oversees everything.
It provides a centralized platform for managing and monitoring your RISE with SAP implementation.
So everything's in one place.
You can track progress, manage risks,
Okay.
access documentation,
Right.
and collaborate with your team,
Okay.
all in one place.
So Cloud ALM keeps everything organized
Yes.
and on track, like a project manager on steroids.
That's a good way to put it.
It sounds like
Yeah,
SAP has really thought of everything
I think so.
to make this transition as smooth as possible.
They've really tried to.
Right.
But
Yeah.
remember,
Yeah.
technology is just one piece of the puzzle.
Right.
RISE with SSE
Yeah.
also emphasizes
Mm-hmm.
the importance of partnerships.
Okay, so you're saying even with...
No matter how amazing the tools are,
right,
you still need experienced guides
right, of course,
to help you navigate the complexities of digital transformation.
Yeah, wouldn't set off on a cross-country road trip without a map and a reliable mechanic.
You need that mechanic.
Right. Speaking of which, I remember you mentioning different tiers of SAP partners. Can you break that down for us?
Absolutely.
Okay.
SAP has a tiered partner program with 3 main levels.
Okay.
Essential, advanced,
Got it.
and expert.
Okay.
Each tier represents a different level of expertise experience.
Yeah.
With RISE, with SAP...
So it's like a ranking system.
Think of it like a ranking system.
Okay.
For digital transformation specialists.
So essential partners are like your entry-level guides.
Kind of, yeah.
Advanced partners have more experience.
More experience, yeah. And specialized skills.
That's right.
And expert partners are the elite team.
Okay.
The SEAL Team 6 of digital transformation.
I like it.
And the beauty of this tiered system is that it helps businesses find the right partner for their specific needs.
So it's all about...
If you're a smaller company with a straightforward implementation, an essential partner might be a perfect fit.
Got it.
But if you're a large enterprise with complex requirements, you'll want to team up with an expert partner who has a deep understanding of RISE with SAP and a proven track record of success.
So it's all about finding the right match.
Like a digital dating service?
Kind of, yeah.
For businesses and SAP partners?
Yeah.
But let's go back to this clean core philosophy for a moment.
Sure.
We've talked about it in general terms. Yeah. But I'm curious to dig a little deeper into what it actually means in practice.
Yeah, let's do that.
Because we've been using this term.
I'm glad you brought that up. Yeah, we've been using it a lot.
Because clean core is the foundation of a successful RISE with SAP implementation.
Got it.
It's not just a buzzword.
Right.
It's a set of guiding principles that help ensure your technology landscape is streamlined, efficient, and adaptable.
Right. It's got to be flexible.
Remember those 5 key elements we touched upon earlier? Processes, extensibility, data, integrations, and operations.
Okay, yeah, those were the 5. I remember those.
Let's unpack those a bit further.
Okay, I'm ready to unpack.
Right.
Starting with processes.
Okay.
What's the clean core approach to optimizing?
When it comes to processes, clean core emphasizes leveraging the standard functionality of SAP software as much as possible.
Okay, so like...
In the past, companies would often heavily customize their ERP systems, creating a tangled web of modifications that were difficult to maintain.
So it's like trying to fit square pegs into round holes.
Yeah, you can force it to work.
Right.
But
it's never going to be ideal.
Exactly. Right. The clean core approach is about embracing the standard features and functionalities of SAP software, which are designed to be best in class and constantly updated.
Right.
This reduces complexity, simplifies maintenance, and makes it easier to adopt future innovations.
That makes a lot of sense.
It does.
So what about extensibility?
Extensibility.
How does clean core address the need for customization?
Okay.
Because let's be real. No two businesses are exactly alike.
No.
So some level of customization is probably inevitable, right?
You're right. Yeah. Some customization is often necessary.
Right.
And clean core doesn't say no customization ever.
Okay.
It's about being smart.
Right.
And strategic.
Okay.
About how you approach it.
Right.
Instead of hacking into the core system and making changes that could cause problems down the road.
Yeah.
The focus is on building extensions that are cloud compliant.
Okay.
Use stable interfaces and integrate seamlessly with the core system.
So it's about building additions that complement the existing structure instead of creating Frankenstein-like systems.
Right.
Okay, I'm getting the picture.
Good.
What about data?
Data.
So we all know data is king.
Data is absolutely crucial in the digital age. How does clean core apply to data management?
Okay.
So,
because we didn't really talk about that too much.
Clean Core recognizes that the key here is to ensure your data is clean, consistent, organized in a way that supports your business processes.
Right. So it has to be usable.
This means reducing redundancies, eliminating inconsistencies, and establishing clear data governance policies.
So it's like cleaning up your digital filing cabinet.
Yes.
Getting rid of duplicates, labeling things properly, making sure everyone knows where to find what they need.
That's a great analogy.
Makes sense.
It does. What about integrations?
Integrations.
Most businesses rely on a whole ecosystem of different software applications, not just their ERP system.
That's a great question.
Right.
And it's where things can get tricky.
Okay.
So the Clean Core philosophy emphasizes minimizing customization and integration complexity.
Because the more you customize and integrate,
the more potential points of failure you introduce.
So it's about streamlining the connections between systems, making sure they're talking to each other efficiently and securely. Kind of like making sure the plumbing in your house is properly connected so you don't end up with leaks and floods.
Precisely.
Okay.
And that brings us
to the last element of Clean Core operations. This is all about establishing robust processes and governance structures to manage your SAP system effectively.
So it's not just about setting it up correctly.
Right.
But also about having the right procedures in place to maintain it over time.
Yeah.
Kind of like keeping your car regularly serviced.
Yeah, like preventative maintenance.
Right.
To prevent major breakdowns.
Exactly.
So Clean Core operations involves things like proactive monitoring, regular maintenance, and clear incident management procedures.
Okay, got it.
By taking a proactive approach to system management, you can avoid costly downtime.
Right, because downtime means lost revenue.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ensure data integrity and keep your business running smoothly.
Wow, Clean Core really is a holistic approach, isn't it? It touches on every aspect.
Every aspect of a business's technology landscape.
It's like a philosophy for digital hygiene.
Right.
Making sure everything is clean, organized, and running smoothly.
It's like a Marie Kondo. For your
exactly. And when you combine the Clean Core philosophy with the RISE, with SAP methodology, and the right tools and partners, you have a powerful formula for successful digital transformation.
It's like a recipe.
It is it?
For digital success with Clean Core being the secret ingredient.
That's a good way to look at it.
Right. Yeah. That makes it all come together.
I think so.
Yeah, it really does feel
it's a powerful combination. RISE with SAP and this whole Clean Core idea, it's like a game changer.
I think it is,
for businesses looking to, thrive in this digital world.
Yeah. It's about creating a solid foundation that allows businesses to be more agile, more efficient, and more adaptable to whatever challenges or opportunities come their way.
Which is crucial in today's fast-paced environment, right?
Yeah, you got to be able to move quickly.
Speaking of adapting, you mentioned earlier this idea of a competency framework for SAP partners. I'm curious to hear more about that.
Sure.
How does SAP ensure that its partners are up to the task of guiding businesses through these complex transformations?
That's where the competency framework comes in.
Okay.
It's a really clever system that SAP has developed to assess and validate the capabilities of each partner.
So it's like almost like a...
Remember those different tiers of partners we talked about?
Right. Essential,
advanced, and expert.
Expert.
Right.
Well, this framework outlines specific skills and knowledge areas that partners need to demonstrate in order to achieve each tier.
So it's like a quality assurance program for SAP partners.
Yeah, kind of like a certification.
Right, making sure they have the right expertise to deliver successful RISE with SAP implementations.
Precisely. It's all about transparency and accountability.
Got it.
The framework covers a wide range of competencies, from technical skills to project management expertise to industry-specific knowledge.
So it's pretty comprehensive.
It's a holistic assessment of a partner's ability to guide companies through every step of the journey.
So it's not just about knowing. It's not just about the technical ins and outs of SAP software.
Right.
But it's also about understanding the business challenges that companies face.
Right.
And how RISE with SAP can help them overcome those challenges.
It's taking that.
Exactly. It's about having a deep understanding of both the technology and the business context. And being able to connect the dots between the two.
And that's why choosing the right SAP partner is so crucial.
It can make or break the project.
Right, because they're not just vendors.
Right. They're more than that.
They're strategic advisors who can help you navigate this complex landscape and make the most of your technology investments.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Right.
And what's even more impressive is that this competency framework isn't static.
Oh, interesting.
It's constantly evolving as SAP's technology advances and the business world changes.
Which it always is.
Right.
It never stops changing.
Ensuring that partners are always equipped with the latest knowledge and skills.
Just like they're constantly leveling.
Exactly. Like in a video game.
Just like the characters in a video game.
Yeah.
Which brings me to a question that's been kind of swirling in my mind. As we've been talking about all this.
Yeah.
What if this whole clean core philosophy, this mindset of simplifying, streamlining, wasn't just for businesses?
Interesting.
What if individuals could apply these principles to their own...
Now that's an interesting thought.
Digital lives?
I mean, think about how many apps we have on our phones.
Right. How many different accounts we manage, how much
digital clutter.
Yeah, digital clutter we accumulate.
And
on a daily basis.
On a daily basis, yeah. It can be overwhelming.
Right, absolutely can. I know I'm constantly feeling like I'm drowning in notifications.
I know the feeling.
And digital to-dos.
Right. What if we took a page from the Clean Core playbook and applied it to our personal digital lives?
Right.
What if we decluttered our apps, streamlined our online processes, and made sure our technology was working for us?
Not the other way around.
Not the other way around, exactly.
Plus, it's like a digital detox, but with a
more strategic and sustainable approach.
Right.
We could create our own personal clean core for a more focused and fulfilling digital experience.
Love that idea.
It's definitely food for thought.
It is.
And speaking of exploring further, I know you wanted to mention the QR code that SAP has provided for listeners.
For those of you who are ready to
who want to delve deeper into RISE with SAP.
Dive even deeper into this fascinating world of digital transformation. We've included a QR code in the show notes. Just scan it with your phone.
Easy access.
And you'll be whisked away.
You'll be right there.
To SAP's website, where you'll find a treasure trove.
All the information you need.
Of resources, case studies, and expert insights.
It's like a digital library.
Digital library. Dedicated to all things.
Dedicated to all things RISE with SAP.
It's a fantastic starting point.
It is. It is.
For anyone who wants to learn more about how RISE with SAP is helping businesses around the world embrace the digital future.
Well, folks, there you have it.
That's it.
Our deep dive. Into RISE with SAP methodology.
We covered a lot of ground.
We did. We talked about.
We explored the challenges businesses face.
The
innovative solutions SAP is offering.
The clean core philosophy.
And even pondered.
It went deep.
The potential for applying these principles to our own digital lives.
To our own lives,
It's been an incredible journey.
It's been a journey.
And I hope
I hope so, too.
You've come away with a newfound understanding of how digital transformation is shaping the business world.
It's an exciting time to be in business.
It is. It is.
It's always a pleasure.
It is.
To explore these complex topics and unpack the insights that can help us navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape.
Absolutely.
So thanks for having me.
And as always, we encourage you to keep exploring, keep learning.
Keep learning, yeah.
And keep diving deep into the topics that matter most to you.
That's what it's all about.
Until next time, stay curious.
Thank you.
And embrace
it.
The power of digital transformation.